Hi. In this video, we will explain the operation of the hand pump, optional present in the whole range of equipment with Vitale Project hydraulic system. The central pump is installed on a tank containing the hydraulic fluid. We can locate the directional lever, the main valve of the system, and the pressure gauge. To check the pressure inside the system, it is necessary to turn the steering lever in the direction of the pressure gauge. At this point, we open the main valve of the system to display on the pressure gauge the pressure inside the system. If the pressure is too much, we can reduce it. To do this, you need to move the steering lever in the side opposite the pressure gauge slowly, so the pressure will drop. Once the pressure is displayed and discharged, the system must be closed. Just act by closing the main valve of the system. To release the remaining pressure of the pressure gauge, simply bring the direction lever to the side opposite the pressure gauge, then return it to the center. To increase the pressure inside the hand pump, you need to view it. As before, you have to move the directional lever in the direction of the gauge and open the main valve of the system. We must open and remove the plug from the pump lever and install it in the appropriate housing. By actuating the cylinder through the lever installed, we can display the growing pressure on the pressure gauge. When the pressure displayed on the pressure gauge is the desired one, the main valve of the system must be closed. The pressure gauge must be discharged by bringing the steering lever to the opposite side and storing the lever for pumping in its housing. This option is essential to precisely adjust the hydraulic system. Also, the hydraulic fluid inside the tank, in original equipment, is designed to ensure minimum wear of the seals of the jacks even when the operating temperature is very high. Vitale Project, Smart Farming.